Hello dear friends, it's second part of first lesson. In this lesson, we learn alphabets with words. It's the continuation of the last part where we learned alphabets and its pronunciation. And in this class, we mainly concentrate on the words, how it's pronounced, how each letter is pronounced in the words. And let us see how the word is pronounced. In this class also, we learn German word and its English translation. And I will give you enough time to pronounce the word, and we will repeat twice one word. And please concentrate on the each letters, how it's pronounced. Let's have 100% fun in this class. Let's begin Deutsch lernen. Lesson 1, alphabets, second part. A, Apfel. A, Apfel. Apfel is in German word and the English translation is apple. The next letter is B, banane. B, banane. And banane is German word and its English translation is banana. The next letter is say. Say, car. Car. And the German word is car, which means choir. Next letter is D. D. Deutschland. Deutschland. Deutschland is German word and its English translation is Germany. Next letter is A. A. Elephant. Elephant. Elephant is German word and its English translation is elephant. Next letter is F. F. Fish. Fish. The similar meaning in English as well. Fish. Next letter is G. G. Giraffe. Giraffe. And the German word is Giraffe and its translation is giraffe. Next letter is Ha. Ha. House. House. And the German word is house and English translation as well, house. Next letter is E. E. The German word is Insel. Insel. And English translation is island. The next letter is Yacht. Yacht. Yogurt. Yogurt. The German word is yogurt and the English translation is yogurt. The next letter is Ka. Ka. Kino. Kino. The German word is Kino and its English translation is cinema. The next letter is L. L. The German word is Liebe. Liebe. And the English translation is love. Ich liebe dich means I love you. Let's repeat. Ich liebe dich. Next letter is M. M. And the German word is Mann. Mann. The English translation is man. Next letter is N. N. The German word is Nacht. Nacht. English translation is night. Next letter is O. O. Orangen. Orangen. The German word is Orangen and English translation is orange. Next letter is P. P. And German word is party. Party. And the English translation is party. Next letter is Q. Q. And the German word is quiz. Quiz. The similar pronunciation we use in English as well. English word is quiz. The next letter is R. R. And the German word is rot. Rot. The English translation is red. Next letter is S. S. And the German word is Sonne. Sonne. The English translation is sun. The next letter is T. T. The German word is Tee. Tee. And the English translation is tea. Next letter is U. U. And the German word is Uhr. Uhr. And the English translation is clock. Next letter is V. V. The German word is Vogel. Vogel. And English translation is bird. Next letter is V. V. The German word is Wasser. Wasser. The English translation is water. The next letter is X. X. The German word is xylophone. Xylophone. The English translation as well, xylophone. The next letter is Upsilon. Upsilon. The German word used yoga. Yoga. The same translation of English yoga. The next and last letter is Z. Z. And the German word is Su. Su. The same translation also in English, Su. And the German word, the another word for Su is Tierpark. Tierpark. Dear friends, this is the second part is going to over. In this part, we learned the German alphabet and German words and its English pronunciation. Dear friends, I request you take your personal time to practice the pronunciation of each words and letter. I remind you, this is the basic step and we must concentrate on the pronunciation, accurate pronunciation, which helps us to read and speak German perfectly. Dear friends, we close our chapter here. Before, I request you to leave your comments, and if you like this video, click like button and subscribe this video for next another videos. Dear friends, next video will come with numbers. Until then, bye.